What is going on, everyone? It's your boy Just Boggy, and I'm back with another video unboxing the DJI mics. Now, after watching back some of the vlogs, I'm using the DJI Pocket 2. Yes, bit of a DJI fanboy here, and I'm using the wireless mic, as you can tell here. It seems alright. A lot of the time I think I need to speak up because of where it's placed. Ideally, you know, you need a mic right near your mouth, but unfortunately that can't be done every time. So we decided, me and wifey decided that we'd splurge out a little bit more on the channel. And bearing in mind we don't get no money for this whatsoever, this is all our money. We thought we'd get this DJI mic set. So as you may or may not know, basically it's two of these basically, and a receiver, so you can plug that into anything, and the audio will go through these little transmitters and go to a camera, or they've got onboard storage. I think they're 8 GB each, and it says here that you get up to 14 hours of onboard memory, and it's got a 15-hour battery life. Also comes in this little carry case, which also is a charger, which is really cool in my opinion. Small footprint, I don't know what's in here, what comes with it. We picked it up brand new, still costs quite a bit of money, but we want the audio to be nice. And what we noticed is I was okay, wifey you couldn't hear because I was primarily the only one wearing the mic. Now I thought about buying a new one, another one of these, but the DJI Pocket 2, unfortunately you can only pair one of them up. So this seems to be the better solution, because I don't always use the Pocket 2. As you know, I've got a DSLR. I also have the Insta360, GoPros. I have a plethora of cameras that I like to take depending on what I'm filming, where I'm filming, and how I'm filming. So this I think is going to be absolutely superb for that. So sorry, there seems to be a lot of aeroplanes right now. I wish I was up there going somewhere nice, but hey, not long now. Right, okay, so hopefully the little wind muff thing here is doing its job, cutting out, because where I am at the minute, I'm in a little alley and it's really windy. So hopefully that's doing its job. If I speak up as well, hopefully that's going to do its job. And let's get to unboxing, because I have no idea what comes in here, and I've been dying to find out. And I didn't want to do it and then package it back in and then do an unboxing for you guys. This is a raw unboxing. Okay. I'll tell you what, it's always nice when you get the break seal. Right, let's see how you open this bad boy. Okay, so there's a box within a box. This was a nice bit of weight to that. It's not too heavy, not too light. That is the charging case, I'm guessing. Which, oh, look at that, everything's in there. Let's bring it up a bit closer. So you've got your, they are tiny. They're a lot smaller than the one I'm wearing. So you've got your transmitter, that's tiny as well. I'll pan over to the table in a minute, but wow, this looks amazeballs. Nice little charger, that's going to come in handy. You've also got, again, a USB-C and a lightning cable one as well. We'll find out what they do in a little while, but yeah, that's a nice little case, that. So what accessories do we get? Okay, so it comes in a nice little DJI branded carrying bag, which again you can put that in, stop scratches and stuff like that. This just looks like, yeah, all your quick start guide and stuff like that. You know, blokes don't generally tend to worry about that until they cannot figure out what the hell's gone wrong. So we'll put them away, and if that ever happens. What else we got? Okay, so we got, oh yes, we've got 2 more mic muffs there. That's nice. I wonder if they'll go in there. No, it doesn't look like it. No, so you'll have to carry them separately in this. And that's just one bag. Oh no, there's 2 separate pockets. That's cool. So you've got your USB-C charging to charge your case, and a 3.5mm to 3.5mm jack, and I'm guessing that's to plug the receiver into a camera, into the Pocket 2 or your DSLR, whatever have you. So I'll tidy this up and I'll give you a rundown of what comes with it. Obviously I've got to have some time with it. I can't just tell you yes they're wicked. I'll charge these up and I'll play around with them, and then I'll come back with a review after. But let's crack on to see what you actually get in the box. Okay, so I'm back. So what do you get in this little box? Well, you get the little carrying bag. There's 2 separate spaces in there, so you'll put that in one and put the other, all this stuff in the others to stop that scratching up the case. That's really nice quality, that. So you get 2 muffs, and I don't know how they know, but when you clip them on, that they know, the mics know that you've got them installed, which is really cool. There's that 3.5mm to 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio jack there, and like I say, that will go one end into the transmitter there, and one will go into the camera, and that will give you your audio. USB-C charging cable to charge up this little box. So you get the receiver, which is really tiny. Okay, so that can clip straight into your phone or your iPhone or whatever. That is really cool, with the use of this or this. So that will go straight into your phone. So you can use these with your iPhone or with your Samsung, whatever, with your Android. And you get 2 of these little bad boys, which are tiny. And they've got their onboard storage as well. They also come with a little magnet, so if you don't clip it, you can use a magnet. And they are very strong. Can't even get that off. And also, what's this? Okay, so it comes with a little clip, so you can clip that onto something. I thought it was like a cold shoe or something, but no, that's a clip. You can take that off and replace it with these, and you can plug that straight into your phone, your iPhone, or your USB-C Android or whatever. These are really tiny, really light. They come with a magnet on the back, so you can put that behind your t-shirt and then that will snap on. They are really strong, actually, really strong. So that's quite cool. And you also have your clear USB-C charging port, so you can charge these without using the big battery there. And they also have onboard storage. That's where your wind muff thing puts in. You've also got a 3.5mm jack, so if you want this to have one of those mics that go up to your face, you can do. You can just plug it in there and that'll act as a receiver. Yeah, well impressed with the kit. It's really nice. Can't wait to start using it out there in the real world, and hopefully the audio is going to really improve, because like I say, you could always hear me, but I primarily always am the one on camera. Wifey doesn't always like to be on camera, so she unfortunately was nowhere near me when the camera's pointed at her. It's something that I am now aware of, but out in the real world, when you're trying to get the shots, there are some things you just forget, unfortunately. So like I say, really looking forward to this. I'll let you know the ins and outs, how I get on, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't done already, please click the subscribe button, smash the thumbs up button, because it'll help me out a ton. Like I say, this channel is self-funded, and I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget, never give up.